Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your Nintendo Switch to Wi-Fi. First, navigate to the home menu on your console. From there, locate and select the system settings icon, which resembles a small gear. Once inside the system settings, scroll down the menu on the left side of the screen. You will find an option labeled Internet. Select this to proceed with the connection process. This initial step is crucial for accessing all network-related configurations. After selecting Internet, you'll need to choose Internet Settings. Your Nintendo Switch will then automatically begin searching for all available Wi-Fi networks in your vicinity. This scan typically takes only a few seconds to complete. Once the list populates, carefully review the names, also known as SSIDs, and select your preferred network. Make sure you recognize the network name to ensure you are connecting to the correct one. If your chosen Wi-Fi network is secured, you will be prompted to enter its password. It is very important to type this password carefully, as it is case-sensitive. Double-check for any capital letters, numbers, or special characters to ensure accuracy. After entering the password, confirm your selection. Your Nintendo Switch will then attempt to establish a connection to the network. This process usually takes a few moments to complete. Once the connection process is complete, a confirmation message will appear on your screen, indicating that your Nintendo Switch is successfully connected to the Internet. If you encounter any errors, simply go back and recheck your password and network settings for any typos. With a successful connection, you are now fully prepared to enjoy all the online features, download game updates, and access the Nintendo eShop. Enjoy your gaming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.